Hello everyone. So today we will see NEET PG questions on some specific topics like free radicals, xenobiotics, alcohol metabolism and biomembrane and cell organelles. So today we will see all these NEET PG questions on these specific topics. Now NEET PG questions on first we take alcohol metabolism. This question was in ZIPMER 2012. The energy generated from alcohol is 4 kilocalorie per gram, 0 kilocalorie per gram, 7 kilocalorie per gram or 9 kilocalorie per gram, and the answer is 7 kilocalories per gram. Then the next question, this was also in ZIPMER 2012. Toxicity of ethanol is reduced to increased NADH-NAD ratio, decreased lactate pyruvate ratio, inhibition of gluconeogenesis or stimulation of fatty acid oxidation, and the answer is increased NADH-NAD ratio. Then the next question, this was in ZIPMER 2013. Best explained pathogenesis is of fatty liver is alcoholic liver disease. In alcoholic liver disease, fatty liver is due to increased hydrolysis of fat from adipocytes, decreased synthesis of fatty acid, decreased NADH-NAD ratio and impaired beta oxidation of fatty acid, and the answer is impaired beta oxidation of fatty acid. Now the questions on free radicals. The first question, it was a recent question of 2016, and the question is assay of lipid peroxidation, MTT assay, AMS test, Guthrie test or Fox assay, and the answer is Fox assay, that is ferrous oxidation xylenol assay. Now the next question, this was also from recent question 2016. Pro-oxidant action of vitamin A, it is potentiated by number 1 is copper, 2 is selenium, 3 is iron and the last one is cobalt, and the answer is copper. The next question, this was also from 2016. Free radical with highest activity is superoxide ion, hydroxyl ion, hypochlorite ion, peroxynitrite ion, and the answer is hydroxyl ion. Then the next question was recent question. The most powerful chain breaking antioxidant, that is glutathione peroxidase, alpha tocopherol, superoxide dismutase and vitamin C, and the answer is alpha tocopherol. Then the next question, this was PGI November 2016 question. Cytochrome P450 is involved in hydroxylation of xenobiotics, methylation of xenobiotics, deamination of reaction, involved in hydroxylation of steroids, and the answer is hydroxylation of xenobiotics and also D, that is it involved in hydroxylation of steroids. Now this was recent question. Now we come to the questions on xenobiotics. Hippuric acid is benzoyl glutamine, benzoyl glycine, benzoyl acetate or benzoyl lactate, and the answer is benzoyl glycine. The next question is also from recent question. Phase 1 xenobiotic reaction include all except hydroxylation, reduction, peroxygenation and methylation, and the answer is methylation, which is phase 2 reaction. Now again on xenobiotics, that is recent question. Lipid present in cytochrome P450 is phosphatidylcholine, ceramide, triacylglycerol or cholesterol, and the answer is phosphatidylcholine. Now questions on biomembrane and cell organelle. This question was from PGI November 2016, and the question is correct statement about membrane is accept phospholipids undergo rapid lateral diffusion, transverse movement of lipids across the membrane is faster than protein, hydrophobic core of phospholipid bilayer remains constantly in motion because of rotation around the bonds of lipid tail. Then phospholipids that have one fatty acyl group cannot form bilayer, and the answer is hydrophobic core of phospholipid bilayer remains constantly in motion because of rotation around the bonds of lipid tail. The next, this was recent question. Marker enzyme for Golgi complex is glucose 6 phosphatase, catalase, galactosyl transferase, lactate dehydrogenase, and the answer is galactosyl transferase. Then the next question, it was also a recent question. Marker enzyme for plasma membrane is 5-nucleotidase, catalase, acid phosphatase and gamma GTT, and the answer is 5-nucleotidase. Then next again recent question. GPI encode glycoproteins are found in caveoli, lipid raft, connexons or intercellular connections, and the answer is lipid raft. These are specialized area of endoplasmic leaflets on the lipid bilayer. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch my other videos. You can go to my channel, that is Medical Biochemistry by Dr. Suman Jain. There you can go in the playlist where you will find many lectures. Around 90 lectures I have uploaded. So please you can take help from here and please comment us. Thank you.